The boat, Brian. Doesn't have a name?
No.
Who's your crew?
Mike.
Huh? Jeff and who else? Skullland? And who else?
Mike Scullin, Jeff Dean, and John Zittle.
How's it going?
Going fine. Nice boat, Mike.
What's the name of the boat?
Thanks.
What's the name of the boat, Mike?
Molly's Ugly Duckling.
Molly's Ugly Duckling.
Yep.
You must be out Molly's Ugly Duck.
I must be. I don't know.
123. Looks sweet. You got the flag going there.
Yep.
That'll be good luck.
Hopefully.
Think it'll
I think it'll
display
hold.
some water?
Everyone says, yeah, I think it'll be good, yeah.
That's good. All right, well, next
says,
picture's in the water.
We are running just a little bit late. The parade just got over, and the boats were at the back of the parade, so we're having to get them all registered and everything real quick up here.
Nice.
So,
I love you, Sheboygan!
Okay, ready? This one from the camera.
We're not the judges!
whoa, watch it. Keep an eye on SOS. This is a rock and roll boat, folks. Rock and roll boats rock, then they roll. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it, folks. This boat is a rock and roller, I'm telling you. People just will not listen to me when I tell them to put a flat bottom on a cardboard boat. Okay, 104 is all loaded up. Okay, everybody get in a nice line now so we can get you started. Oh boy, they just bumped 123. That'll send them to the bottom for sure. Hey, I need boats number 105, 106, 110, and 126. Get them up here. Okay, pull it on up, 121.
What are they doing on the outside?
Yeah. All right, on your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Keep an eye on 121. All right, pulling out to an early lead is boat number 123. 123, Molly's Ugly Duckling, pulling out to an early lead. Otherwise, we have a dead heat back here, more or less. We got one still rocking and rolling out there, though. All that's got to happen is they got to paddle on one side at the same time, but it's history. All right, running into the first buoy, it's boat number 123. 123, Molly's Ugly Duckling. Wet paint and all is out in front. We need boat number 126 for the next heat. Boat number 126. Boat number 126. Where are you? 4 lakes on this whole river, and 3 of them run into each other. Rock and roll is hanging on pretty good out there, I have to admit. They're doing better than I thought. Meanwhile, 123 turns the second buoy. It is Molly's Ugly Duckling. All right, here they come. It's 123, riding hot. 121 is cautiously paddling. Whoa! All right, here it comes. Number 1, 2, 3. Wet paint and all, it's Molly's Ugly Duckling. All right, here we go. It's boat number 123 with Mike, Jeff, Brian, and Jonathan on board from right here on Clifton Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Oh, look at this. The crew has white hands, folks, from handling the boat.
Good job, guys. Nice job, Brian.
For my next heat, I need boats number 101, 103, 108, and 207. Get them up here. 101, 103, 108, and 207. Get them up here. All right, it's the Three Musketeers out in front. Notice the unique design on the front of this boat. If they paddle it just a little too hard, it will do a sudden nosedive. Notice the water breaking over the bow. Interesting design, that is. Owner of a vehicle with license plate MSREIS. Move it.
Yummy.
Here comes the Three Musketeers. And we need 54-124. We need engine unit, and we need FMH 908 move. Please, we can't get cars in. Watch the nose of this boat. This is interesting, folks. Paddle just a little too hard, and the front guy gets a lap full. Couldn't hurt to do a little weight and balance on that thing, probably.
Are you?
Yeah, you're gonna run out of battery to take.
Another announcement. The Arts Center would like to invite everyone to attend the Ice Cream Social. Yes.
I want to see that one go. I want to see.
Hang on, folks. Notice how sluggish this boat has become.
Oh gosh, that one's going. She's going.
It's probably because I think it's about half full of water.
It's going. It's going.
Look out!
It's going.
They're pulling crew back in.
It's going. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Hang on, folks. The grass crew is headed for the mud.
Yeah.
There it goes, noses down. All right.
As soon as that boat's done.
Now Kimmy has to go over her car.
The grass crew is all wet.
So do I.
All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow, they got that buoy close.
Too close.
No. No! Down the backstretch, down front is Ries. Banana boat coming on the inside, trying hard. Man, we've got a mess at the first buoy. We've got Gargoyle, we've got Lady Ellen, and the Three Musketeers all mixing it up in the buoy. Here they come around the outside. It's Ries. There is 124, a 3-year-old boat. And in second is the banana boat. Crystal Snyder's boat. And there they are in second place. Molly's Ugly Duckling. Wet paint and all, here it comes. Now, coming out of the buoy, it's the Three Musketeers. And Lady Ellen running forward, staying just ahead of the Gargoyle. The Three Musketeers are across. And the Lady Ellen is across. And here comes Gargoyle.
Look at this.
So photograph it for Brian.
What, the Beavis? Get zoom in on the inside so they can get.
So what do you think of our crew?
Great. See you again next year, right?
Almost, huh?
Yes.
4-person boat next year.
Ride that boat
There
out.
we go. What was our time? 1:48. Holy cats!
Is that the fastest?
And if we hadn't hooked that, we didn't hook that buoy, we would have been buoy rope.
Yeah.
It cost us almost 10 seconds. I saw you reach down and I thought, don't let it tear, don't let it tear. It was hooked right around the front of it. We hooked the buoy in the last buoy. And I can pick it up there or what? Or put it in the parking lot of Oysters.
You gotta go around the buoy. You go out,
I don't need it tonight.
make a left-hand turn around the buoy and come straight back to the dock.
That Prodigal race and I was dying out on the end of it.
Pull it away.
I hope they got orange crap
Nine.
That was me on the last one.
running that last minute.
Second place in Class 3 infant boats, Rob Wilmus and Stuart Bartson. Rob Wilmus and Stuart Bartson. First place, Mary Pawazarat, Angie Kolako, and Jenny Broder. Okay, let's change that around. Second place were the young ladies. First place, Rob Wilness and Stuart Bartson. Thank you very much.
There's some big.
No, I wasn't. Class 2, we have one first place, Bemis Manufacturing, captained by Scott Huff, the Magic Bus.
You don't want to finish here.
Class 1A, third place, Mike Scowland in Molly's Ugly Duckling.
Yay!
You don't take.
Second place, the Banana Boat. Chrisville
big
Snyder,
cat they got.
boat sponsor, Scott Schramm, captain. And
First place.
our first place winner
Third year in a row.
is Arc Deluxe, boat sponsor, Bemis Manufacturing, captained by John Seaman. What an appropriate name. 1A. 1A first. Okay.